Hi students, good morning. Hope you all are well. Dear students, in our last class we discussed about differences between the reversible and irreversible change. Right. Now I am going to teach you about another changes, that is expansion and contraction. Okay, expansion and contraction. We can check what it is. Okay. All are ready? Do you know, children, when an object is heated, it is increase its size or it expand. That process we call expansion. Okay. And just opposite is contraction. That is when an object is on cooling, it decrease its size. That we call contraction. We can check. So children, now we know that expansion occurs when it on heating. But contraction occurs when it on cooling. Okay, so we can understand main difference. When it expand, its size will be increased. Okay, when it is heating, its size will be increased. Then what about contraction? When it cooling, when the object is on cooling, its size will decrease. Okay, so its size will decrease when it is on cooling. Understand? These are the main differences, changes happening in expansion and contraction. Expansion occurs when it is on heating, but contraction occurs when it on cooling. Understand? So children, with the help of diagrams, we can check more examples. Okay. Have some soil digging tools. And these are used in agriculture for digging purpose or digging the soil. So, this iron blade and handle are manufactured separately and later on they are joined to make these tools, right? We will now study how expansion and contraction are used for the fixing of iron blade and handle, alright? Look at the picture, children. Can you see this ring present in iron blade? And it is made slightly smaller in size than wooden handle. When we want to fix the handle, iron ring is heated for expansion. On heating, what happens? We know that on heating, rings will be expand. Now handle fits easily in this ring. And when the ring cools down, we know that what will happen? If it is cooled down, it contracts and fits tightly onto the handle. Look at the picture correctly. This is how iron blade is fixed with a wooden handle. Understand? Okay, students, now you understood about expansion and contraction. When expansion happening, when it is on heating, but contraction when it is on cooling, right? When it is expand, its size will be increase, but when it contracts, the object size will be decrease. Okay, let's move forward with one more example. We can check. Did you see that wooden wheels of cart? Look the picture carefully. We can see the wooden wheels of cart. And it is made with a rim, iron rim. We can check. Look at the picture carefully. These wooden wheels of cart have metal rim. Okay, we can check how this rim fixed on wooden wheel. It is made slightly smaller than wooden wheel. On heating, what will happen? Rim will be expand and easily fit onto the wheel. Then we pour cold water. What will happen? We pour cold water over rim, due which rim will contract. And this is how rim tightly fits on wheel. Okay, now you understood. So children, now we have seen many examples of changes around us, right? That is reversible changes, irreversible changes, when it is expansion, contraction, what will happen, what the changes happening. These all we discussed, right? So children, can you say how we have to bring the changes in substance? We can check it, okay? When applying force and pressure, I'm applying force here and I'm rubbing. Changes is happened, right children? Then when applying heating, that is when we are heating the substance, it will be expand, like that changes happen. And when we are mixing with some other substance, like when we are mixing soda powder into the baking mix, what will happen? It will be very soft. These all are the different changes happening in substance. Okay, so I'm going to wind up the chapter. So hope you all understood about this chapter, and we have to read the chapter thoroughly 3 times. and we can meet in our next class. Study well for your essay 1 exam. Thank you, children.